Have you ever wondered why some meditators look like they're trying to solve a complex math problem while others seem to be floating on cloud nine? Picture this: one meditator, brows furrowed in concentration, the embodiment of focus meditation. Then there's the other, as serene as a sunset, blissfully adrift on the waves of transcendental meditation. It's like the difference between a chess game and a daydream. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, buckle up, folks. We're about to dive into the world of transcendental and focus meditation. Imagine if meditation was like a holiday. Transcendental meditation would be the all-inclusive luxury beach resort. Now, isn't that a tantalizing thought? Picture this. You're on that beach, but instead of a sun lounger, you're on a comfy chair in your living room. In transcendental meditation, you're not trying to control or focus your mind. Instead, you're giving it a vacation. It's like lounging on the beach, not doing much, just enjoying the sun on your face, the sand between your toes. The only difference is your beach is a mantra, a word or sound repeated to aid concentration in meditation. This mantra is your wave, gently washing over you again and again, lulling you into a state of deep relaxation. It's not about trying to clear your mind or focus on your breath, but just letting go, allowing your mind to drift along with the rhythmic tide of your mantra. So remember, transcendental meditation is like sipping a cocktail on a beach, letting the waves of your mantra wash over you. On the other hand, focus meditation is more like a mountain hike. You've got a clear goal in sight, and you're not afraid to sweat a bit to get there. Now, imagine this. You're lacing up your boots, filling your water bottle, and checking your compass. That's you preparing your mind for focused meditation. The mountain? That's your chosen object of focus. It could be your breath, a mantra, or even the sensations in your body. Now, the hike won't always be smooth. You'll encounter distractions like pesky mosquitoes or a sudden downpour. That's your mind attempting to wander off. But you, the steadfast hiker, gently guide your thoughts back to the trail, back to your focus. And when you reach the peak, oh, the view. You'll find clarity, mindfulness, and a sense of accomplishment. That's the reward of focus meditation. So in focus meditation, you're the hiker, braving the elements and keeping your eyes on the prize. So what's the verdict, folks? Are you a beach lounger or a mountain climber? Think of transcendental meditation as your beach holiday, laid back, letting thoughts ebb and flow like the ocean waves. Focus meditation, on the other hand, is your mountain climb. It's about conquering your thoughts, harnessing them like a seasoned mountaineer. Whether you're sipping cocktails on the beach or conquering mountain peaks, remember, the best meditation is the one that works for you. Now go forth and meditate, you enlightened beings.